In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redirect a domain to another domain in Hostinger, a skill that's especially handy for anyone managing multiple websites or rebranding an existing site. Before we dive into the details, a quick reminder, make sure you're logged into your Hostinger account and have access to the domain management area where your domains are hosted. First, let's head over to your Hostinger dashboard. Once you're there, you'll see a list of the domains you currently manage. Select the domain you wish to redirect. This will take you to the domain management page, where you can configure various settings for your domains. Scroll down a bit and look for the Redirects option in the Settings panel. When you've found the Redirects section, click on it. Here, you need to specify the type of redirect you want to set up. There are several types of redirects, but the two most common are a permanent 301 redirect and a temporary 302 redirect. A 301 redirect is used when you're moving your site permanently, while a 302 is for temporary changes. Depending on your needs, choose accordingly. For most scenarios, a 301 redirect is the way to go, as it tells search engines to update their references. Now enter the path of the source domain in the provided field. This is the original domain that you want to redirect from. If you want to redirect the entire domain, simply enter the domain without additional paths. Next, you'll see a field asking for the destination domain. This is where you'll input the URL of the site you want to redirect to. Make sure to enter the full URL, including the HTTP or HTTPS prefix. Once you've filled out these fields, review the information to ensure it's correct. Mistakes here can lead to broken links, which isn't good for your SEO or your visitors' experience. When you're sure everything's set up properly, hit the Create or Add button to finalize the process. Hostinger will now process your request, and the setup should take immediate effect. To confirm that the redirect has been configured correctly, try visiting your original domain. You should be taken to the destination domain seamlessly, without any errors. In case you run into any issues, clearing your browser cache or checking DNS propagation might be necessary, as DNS changes can take some time to propagate fully across the internet. Keep in mind that while most changes are immediate, some might take a few hours. And there you have it, your domain is now successfully redirected to another domain using Hostinger. Whether for SEO purposes, rebranding, or simply organization, domain redirects can be incredibly useful when done correctly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our channel for more web management tips and tricks.